Jose. So I wasn't able to find your website or your Facebook page, but you said you service Alabama. So I just went in here and grabbed Birmingham, floor contractor Birmingham. Went down here. You got the Google Map pack here. Ads would appear up here. Then coming down here, this is organic ranking. Grabbing this guy. This is his website. Looking at it, he doesn't have a lot of content. He's got a little bit, but not much. Only 526 words. So you probably want to come in here. If you don't have a website, you'd want to make one and have about 1,000. If not, you can go up to 1,500, or you can go as high as you want. The more content, the better. Google loves content. Another thing to make sure you do is when you save the images, you see this is flooring in Birmingham, AL. So that's he saved his images correctly. You want to save these as keywords. So basically, you want to get keywords. You see this floor contractors, Birmingham, Alabama. So this guy is getting keywords in his content. You want to make them organically in there. So they come out. Here's another one right here. So they come out. It looks organic. You don't want to keyword stuff or anything. Going into Ahrefs, I threw them up in here. Ahrefs is a tool I like to use. I meant to be back at the overview, but so you'll see UR23, DR7. He's got 658 backlinks and 35 referring domains. So he's got some that can be beaten. Basically, we're just coming here, see what backlinks he has. Not all backlinks are equal, so I'd want to come and grab the ones. Like this one looks like a pretty good one. 71 DR, 20 UR. It also is a do follow. It doesn't say no follow here. And we can just we can figure out what it is. Go click it, see where it takes us. And see how we got it. Try to figure that out. And if we like it, it looks like it's from Switzerland. If we like it, we can come back. We can grab it, and it's a podcast post. So we can grab it and get it for you. And then we can just go through here, grab all the ones that we love, and not get the spammy ones, not get the ones that are not relevant to flooring or the construction industry, contractor industry, because you don't want fast food place linking back to you, because it's not going to give you any strength. Whereas some other contractor or flooring company or something linking back to you is going to give you, Google's going to be like, as long as it's not spamming, they're going to be like, that's relevant. It's got, and give it a lot of strength, passing that on to you and giving you strength. Ways you can then, we don't have to just grab this guys. We can go grab all kinds of other competitors and go grab other ones that are out there. Google for some and figure out what ones we like and grab those ones. Get all the high-powered ones. Ways you can get backlinks. You can do guest posts, blogs, blog commenting. You can get sponsor. You can sponsor as well as news articles. Basically anything linking back to you. And you want to make sure it's relevant to your industry. You can come in here and see what organic keywords this guy's ranking for. He's got 87 of them. Wood flooring, Birmingham. 150 people search that a month. 6 KD, pretty easy to beat. 6 KD is not too bad. He gets 6 people from that. That's where he gets most of his traffic from. On his position 9 there. Let's see. Harvard flooring, Birmingham, Alabama. 100 people search that. 10 KD. A little harder to rank for, but still not terrible. Let's see. So these ones are for him. Flooring, Birmingham, Alabama. 28. That one's quite a bit harder to rank for. But, it's not impossible. Basically, KD just tells you how hard it's going to be to rank on the first page for that. And the lower KD, the easier it's going to be. And then you can get to the first page faster and work on getting up to the number 1 spot there. But yeah, we can just come in here and see what keywords we want. If you notice, there's quite a bit. There's quite a few of them here with some good volume. Even this, it's only 10 volume. It's 4 KD. We can toss it in there. You might get you might be able to land, a client or two a month from that, if you got the number one spot there. But yeah, coming down here, we can just keep looking and seeing. We can go through all of his guys, all of his keywords, grab the ones we like, and then we can do other keyword research. We can check out other competitors and grab what keywords they have, and grab all the best ones, and go after the lower keyword ones to start with. This refurnishing 0KD, 30 people search that month, super easy to grab. And then you can start generating, clients fast. Obviously SEO takes some time, but when it's 0KD, you can get those. You can get those pretty fast. Next thing would be the GMB. If you don't have one already, I would suggest you setting one up. It's free to do. They're gonna send you a postcard to get you certified. But then make sure when you set it up 100%. Yeah, you don't want to skip steps. Google loves it. That's the big thing. If you have it all filled out, Google will bump you up because of that versus not having it filled out. Next thing is content for the GMB is photos. So just upload a whole bunch of photos to your GMB. The more photos, the better. Ratings, obviously, reviews, obviously play a factor in it, but so get reviews if you can. But something else that plays more of a factor would be citations. This guy has 55 citations. Citations are just directories, like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, a whole bunch of other ones out there. There's tons of them, thousands of them. But we can just go out there and grab all this guys and go grab a whole bunch of other ones as well. You just Google for more, check out other competitors' citations, and fill them out. Grab it for you, and then you can get, you can beat this guy. Get 100 easily. It takes time. Basically, you want to make sure that your name on your GMB matches the name you're putting down for when you're getting the citation, as well as their phone number and the location. But yeah, you can do that. It's it's just time consuming, but it's not hard to do. But yeah, hopefully that helps. You're welcome to do whatever you'd like with that. If you want, we can talk more. Set up a phone call or a video call. But thanks for watching, and hope you have a good rest of your day.